Hey guys, now quite a lot of you might recognize this type of knife, even though the handle's customized. It's an Opinel Model 10, one of the bigger blades. It's actually amazing, and they didn't even pay me to say that. Now the steel quality is pretty good, but the price is just unbeatable. The only other option you have at that price point is a Chinese piece of garbage that will last you 2 months at most, and I've had this one for quite a few years now. It has one major flaw though. If you do like to go camping and the air just happens to be damp, the wood will swell up quite a lot. You wouldn't be able to properly open it up again. I actually have had this happen to me quite often in the past, and it's pretty annoying. Opinel does make some polymer handled knives as well, but just not as pretty. You kinda want something more eye-catching. So let's design a 3D printable handle that just doesn't swell up. Now, talking about swelling, I already had an idea for the design. In the Middle Ages, there was a type of dagger called a bollock dagger. I'll put a picture up on screen. The shape of the handle just looks so sensual for some reason. I'm not sure why. It just looks masculine. I'm trying to keep the original locking mechanism of the Opinel and keep it a folding blade. A fixed blade is kinda next to useless to me. Let's go design it. And this is the end result. And for fast prints, it's actually pretty good. I had it on 0.2mm layer height with extra thick walls, like 8 layers. Now the hole for the pin wasn't as big as it ought to be because I wanted to drill out the rest and hand fit a part, so there was a little bit of handwork involved. Just to make sure it's extra tight, which isn't always something you get perfect with a printer. Let's fit the blade to the new handle. Now the fit is pretty tight as it should be, and the blade and locking mechanism work just fine. This might possibly be one of the weirdest things I've ever designed in my life, even though it's pretty simple actually. Now if anyone is interested in the STL file, just put in the comments, I'll make sure you get it. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, just put in the comments as well. I'm sure I can make almost anything as long as it isn't too complex, so don't ask for any combustion engines. Now I do hope you guys enjoyed, and please like and subscribe.